Okay.
All right.
Okay. You already know Farmerville day. The Ratchet weight fucking with my niggas that. B-Time, what up? You already know. I am on guard. Hey, look at though. Come around that corner. Corner freedom in about 45 minutes. I swear to God, y'all gonna see some shit y'all ain't never seen before.
Finna get ratchet.
Yeah. Burn these niggas. Yeah. You better go for what you know. 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 When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl. I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Go for what you know. 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 When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl. I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Give me Hello Kitty. Show me what you working with. I see you shaking your little booty. Can you work it on the dick? Big booty bitch, she can work it to a split. She'll make the average bag nigga turn into a trick. She got her own shit, she hit her own licks. Say she bad as a motherfucker with her own shit. And she got that wet. I swear she make me text back when I pull her hair. That bitch will hold her neck back. So go for what you know, show them bitches that you bad. The way she shaking ass make you wanna throw some cash. The way she looking at me make me wanna spin a bag. The way she looking at me, that bitch knowing that she bad. You gotta go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty.
Open up the floor, I'm about to fall through. I'm on the hitting hard, but I'm about to fall through. Cut up with that cut up, we jigging like a pedal. Go for what you know, I bet you I can do it better. Girl, you bad and you know it. I'm liking how you rollin'. Give me that little pussy, I'ma fuck you like you own me. Do it, baby, stick it. If you give it, let me give it. See you looking in the mirror, you be working that little kid. That's me, I be killing the beat. When I jig cameras out, cause I be working my feet. Too loud, what up? World Nation, cut up. You gotta go for what you know when you party with us.
You gotta go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Hold up, stop the beat. DJ rock with me. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it like a Jason scene. We got Homer in this bitch, they like the jig too. The Ville go the dumbest, my nigga, they on them pills too. Thunder City, what up? B-Time, cut up. Junction City in this bitch, and Farmerville is up. You ain't never met some niggas jig around like us. Grand fam in this bitch, they pull up in the bus. Jig on the floor, jig with your feet cut up. I'm feeling out my body, so I'm about to nut up. B-Time in this bitch, you really fucking with that. We cut up bad on them niggas, they ain't fucking with that. You better go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty. Go for what you know, go for what you know. Go for what you know, go for what you know. When the beat drop, I'ma kill it. Do it, baby, stick it. I'm the sickest girl, I handle business. Give me Hello Kitty.
Don't start no shit you can't finish, nigga. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. You say it's beef, boy, this shit is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Hop out the Chevy with a drum and start dancing. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Or get the bustin', boy, this beef is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Go get the chopper, I'ma scramble up this dump.
Yeah, my nigga keeps some warm and shit like we in Pakistan. Hop out with a drum like it's the battle of the band. You niggas ain't really about that, y'all just thinking y'all hard. Me and my niggas tone heaters like the National Guard. I hope these niggas don't get the trip and I was smashing this bar.
I heard Lack hit the bitch and then he passed to the nod.
You don't want them problems, you a die hoe. Muggin' nigga didn't tell low to school me in Chicago.
Oh shit, what's the name of your hood in this bitch? And it goes like, oh shit, my name is Never Let Me Talk My Shit.
Don't be bumping into me.
Putting ashes on my clothes.
You know I keep a pistol on parole.
I came in with my bros. They ain't searching me at the door. Ain't no telling what a nigga hold.
If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. You say it's beef, boy, this shit is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Hop out the Chevy with a drum and start dancing. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Or get the bustin', boy, this beef is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Go get the chopper, I'ma scramble up this dump. When the beef is really up, pussy nigga, you a no-show. 30 shots when I pop and I wash my hand with Gojo. We got never been this bitch, you know we retard. Pull up on the bitchy with the shits and take a street card. And Mr. Shooter for your shooter got a Ruger too. I stuck my pistol in the club, so I'm a shooter too. If they get the bucket, the thug'll let the chopper loose. We cut these niggas out the picture, boy, we cropping you. You say you want some killer shit, so we're stopping you. Shoot up your whip and give a fuck by who was driving you. If you get the bucket, then bitch you know I'm bucking too. Shoot up your crib and kill your dogs with my 22. You want it beef? Boy, this shit is really nothing. Catch you coming out the church and start dumping how I'm coming. Get your cousin whack back just for and bumping. Got my chopper loaded up, pussy nigga, say something. What up? If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. You say it's beef, boy, this shit is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Hop out the Chevy with a drum and start dancing. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Or get the bustin', boy, this beef is really nuts. If you get the bucket, we gon' get the bucket. Go get the chopper, I'ma scramble up this dump. I be cutting up with the cutter, do a nigga bad. Bet you in your shit and get on a nigga ass. I ain't got no mind and you know I'm quick to flash.
Do a nigga dirty, why he taking out the trash?
Rhyme with a ladder like I'm working on the roof. Slang got that 40, perfect game, he gon' shoot. That mob in the bitch, they the gang, got salute. BTP and TME, I swear them boys be the truth, like yeah. Oh, puss ass nigga. You want me gone, you gon' have to take me, nigga, that's all it is. You gon' have to deal with it, bitch. Bitch, you gon' have to take me. On my pistol ain't no safety thing, I'm worried about a nigga tryna hate me. Bitch, you gon' have to take me. And I ain't beefing by the bitch, but if you beefing, you gon' end up in the ditch, nigga. You gon' have to take me. Ain't no pussy in my blood, that piece of pussy gonna get you in the mud, nigga. You gon' have to take me. And I ain't backing down from shit. How you want it? We could box a little sticks. Listen, you gon' have to take me. Like you thuggin', making posts to get attention. I get bored and clean my gun and test my scope for its precision. I see you pussy niggas making posts, but you can't spell shit. Lime around your body so the deer hunters won't smell shit. Lately I've been patient, but I'm losing it. Thinking about my niggas dead and gone before I do the shit. I can see me and Big Ferg rolling up a couple, passing blessed to G, baby, me hawking Bookie in the bubble. So if you want me, come and take me. On my pistol ain't no safety, I stay clutching, holding pistols on the daily. You think you thuggin', come and spray me. Yeah, nigga try to play me, I been wicked like the shit over in Haiti. I'm a menace. If you wanna see me spaz, keep on playing games. I'ma kill your mama, daddy, brother, and gon' fuck you dame. It's a dirty game, I can't let the karma get revenge. I believe in paying back what I owe to every man. Bitch, you gon' have to take me. On my pistol ain't no safety thing, I'm worried about a nigga tryna hate me. Bitch, you gon' have to take me. And I ain't beefing by the bitch, but if you beefing, you gon' end up in the ditch, nigga. You gon' have to take me. Ain't no pussy in my blood, that piece of pussy gonna get you in the mud, nigga. You gon' have to take me. And I ain't backing down from shit. How you want it? We could box and get the sticks. Pussy, you gon' have to take me.
Bitch, my mama raised a bastard. Earn my stripes up on the block. Slanging iron and moving casket. Traumatized in my life from all the shit I done seen. I'm quick to up this motherfucker on any nigga gets me. I heard these niggas want my head shit. I've been waiting to see. You better bring a fucking on me. Think you gonna take me? And bitch, I been a problem, nigga. Before I jumped off the boat. These niggas must got COPD cause they allergic to smoke. And with this bitch shit, I'm a savage. I'm ready to eat some shit up. I call that 40 my tenderizer since you wanna act tough. I got gorillas off the 6 to keep them sticks in the clutch. I hate a pussy nigga to up that bitch and won't even bust.
You gon' have to take me.
Because you know that it's up. The real one hit me on my line. I got them working too much. Niggas always trying to buck. I turn them to a John Doe. And yeah, a nigga might take me, but it won't be easy.
Bitch, you gon' have to take me. On my pistol ain't no safety thing, I'm worried about a nigga tryna hate me. Bitch, you gon' have to take me. And I ain't beefing by the bitch, but if you beefing, you gon' end up in the ditch, nigga. You gon' have to take me. Ain't no pussy in my blood, that piece of pussy gonna get you in the mud, nigga. You gon' have to take me. And I ain't backing down from shit. How you want it? We could box and get the sticks. Pussy, you gon' have to take me.
I ain't running from you bitches playing games. I'ma leave you with some sticks.
Bitch, you gon' have to take me.
Niggas highly want smoke. Catch your ass by the store and treat you like a little hoe.
Bitch, you gon' have to take me.
How you niggas wanna do it? Pistol in my pants, bitch, don't make me use it.
shit. I thought up in the club, we be lit. Do your shit. Look at my chains, how I glisten with my wrist. Do your shit. Look at my fit, can't forget about the kick. Do your shit. I'm the shit. I'm about to pull a bad bitch. Do your shit. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Okay. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Okay. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch. Catch me falling through the door and I be fresh as I can be. I need ice to cool me down just like a lemon iced tea. I might rock a white tee with a fresh pair of J's on. Side-eyeing bitches in the club with my shades on. You know I gotta stay strong, blowing on that good game. Got a bitch from Texas, give me dome, she a hood rat. Jugging on the floor, jugging on your hoe. I do my own dance, look like I'm cooking up some dope. I be lit with a bitch, you know I'ma do my shit. I be leaning in the deal, trying to fuck a bad bitch. If you try to play me pussy, I'ma lean in your shit. If you tryna get the buffers, I got jigs in this bitch. I call up in the club, we be lit. Do your shit. Look at my chains, how I glisten with my wrist. Do your shit. Look at my fit, can't forget about the kicks. Do your shit. I'm the shit, I'm about to pull a bad bitch. Do your shit. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Okay. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch. Do your shit. I'ma do mine too. I'm mixing green with the purple, call it lime blue. I work my shoulders in the club when I'm sliding through. And if you looking at me mugging, I'ma slide you. I'm about to hack up in this bitch. I got my get up in this bitch. I'm about to agitate you niggas like a gnat up in this bitch. You can jig with your feet if you do that. Louisiana represent a nigga where that boot at. BTP tell me, but you niggas knew that. I do my shit. I got them hoes asking who that. Friends change preferent ways when I walk through. Look at my watch, I'm calling shots. What a boss do, bitch. I call up in the club, we be lit. Do your shit. Look at my chains, how I glisten with my wrist. Do your shit. Look at my fit, can't forget about the kicks. Do your shit. I'm the shit, I'm about to pull a bad bitch. Do your shit. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Okay. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch. Do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I do my own little dance in this bitch. Okay. Now do your shit. Yeah. Now do your shit. Yeah. I hit the flow just to make them see my fit. Watch.
Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch. Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch. Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch.
Yeah, I'm rolling out my mind, bitch, I'm real lit.
Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch. Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch. Do your shit, do your shit, do your shit, bitch.
Yeah, I'm rolling out my mind, bitch, I'm real lit.